Hello everyone, welcome back to Education Talks, and in today's video I'm going to tell you all how to make a megaphone. So the duration of this experiment is of 15 minutes. Megaphones are very easy to make, and today I'm going to tell you all how you can make one of yours. Things we need to make a megaphone are a square sheet like this. So here I'm taking a used sheet as I don't want to face sheets, and I prefer for all of you to take used sheets as well, as these are much more eco-friendly. And you need a square sheet for this, and if you don't have a square sheet, you can also cut your rectangular sheets just the way I did, and some tape. So now we will roll the paper into a cone. Like this. And after we do it, we have to stick the edge with the help of a tape and secure it like this. Now, speak into the cone and listen as your voice is louder. Now put the cone to your ear and you will be able to hear everything louder. So this happened as the shape of the cone is such that it enhances the sound. Sound bounces off the walls of the funnel and is concentrated through the small opening, which amplifies it. So I hope you liked my today's video, and if you did, then please like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, as most of the viewers don't subscribe to my channel, as you can see on the screen. So I request to all those viewers to please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So till my next video, bye bye.